Hey beauty lovers, and welcome back. If you're looking for that fresh, effortless glow, you've probably heard of Pixi Beauty. They're famous for their gentle, botanically infused formulas. Today, I'm walking you through a complete, simple routine using 4 of my absolute favorites, starting with the most satisfying step, the cleanse. We're starting with the Pixi Nourishing Cleansing Oil. If you wear makeup or SPF, a double cleanse is a must, and this oil makes it a treat. Pump a generous amount into your dry hands and gently massage it onto your dry face. Feel how it effortlessly dissolves all that foundation, mascara, and daily grime. It's packed with essential oils, so it smells incredible and feels luxurious. This plant-powered oil cleanser melts through makeup, sunscreen, and impurities without stripping. Light yet effective, the formula is enriched with argan and soybean oils to soften and hydrate for a balanced, radiant finish. Once everything is broken down, here where the magic happens, watch how simply one single makeup remover wipe can wipe the whole full makeup on the face, thanks to this magical cleansing oil. A plant-based oil cleanser for daily use, which effectively removes makeup and sunscreen. Nourishes while cleansing to maintain balance. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Suitable for all skin types with the size of 150 milliliters, which last for a long time. Now for our second cleanse. I'm grabbing the Pixi Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel, a revitalizing gel cleanser powered by glycolic acid. It gently sweeps away dullness, purifies pores, and refines texture. The Moist Clean technology locks in hydration, while aloe vera soothes, horse chestnut tones, and ginseng energizes. Apply a small amount and work up a gentle lather. This step ensures we've cleared any residue and deeply cleaned the pores. This face wash is the perfect refresher. Rinse everything away with cool water and gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Now, time for the product Pixi is most famous for, the Glow Tonic. This is where the real magic happens. Take a cotton pad and saturate it with the tonic. Gently sweep it across your face and neck. This powerhouse contains 5% glycolic acid. It works gently to exfoliate the dead skin cells, giving you that famous Pixi glow. It helps fade hyperpigmentation, smooth texture, and minimizes the appearance of pores. You might feel a tiny tingle, but that means it's working. It's the essential step to prep your skin to absorb everything else we put on next. Once or twice a week, I swap out my usual serum for a mask. Let's use the Pixi Rose Remedy Mask. You can use this face mask AM and PM or as needed. Apply a thick, even layer to clean skin and leave on for 10 minutes. This mask is a fantastic way to give your skin a targeted boost of hydration. It resets your skin with ultra-nourishing jelly that leaves your complexion feeling soft, smooth, and comforted. With antioxidant, rich turmeric, soothing cica, and a botanical oil blend, this refreshing mask tones and hydrates in one step. Perfect as a weekly treat or post-cleansing boost. I also apply this same mask to my hands. If you've followed me for long, you know I always stress the importance of hand care. Remember, your hands always show the first signs of aging. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the thick layer has completely absorbed onto my skin. Now I clean my skin using a warm towel. You might think castor oil is only for hair, but let me share my secret. I use it right here on my face. Yes, it's thick, but don't let that fool you. This oil is a powerhouse. I use it because it's deeply moisturizing without clogging my pores. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, that's the magic ingredient that helps calm inflammation and keep my skin clear and balanced. Just a tiny drop acts like a natural moisture barrier. My skin is softer, calmer, and has a healthy glow. And that's it. A complete, effective routine using the best of Pixi. Remember, healthy skin starts with consistency, and these products make it easy. I have shared the links of all the products I used in video at the description box of the video. You can order for yourself and start your glowing skin journey. Hit that like button if you love skincare, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.